Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, I'm super excited to share with you my experience after using the Nothing Ear 2 for almost 2 weeks now. Just to give you a little bit of context, I've been using the Nothing Ear 1 for almost more than a year now. I've got it since it was launched, like in 2021, October, if I'm not mistaken. That's almost 1.5 years ago. And in today's video, we're going to be covering 3 main components. Number 1, we'll do a little bit of an unboxing. I won't make it too long because, I don't want to spend too much time with that. Number 2, I'll go over a couple of new key features with this brand new Nothing Ear 2. And of course, what kind of sound can you expect from this guy? And last but not least, I'll give you a link, like where to purchase it, assuming you are based in Malaysia. Now with that said, let us begin and head over to the desk to check out the Nothing Ear 2 in further detail. Now just like with the previous Nothing Ear 1, unboxing this is actually a very cool experience. You get a very nice paper-like cardboard box, and all you need to do to open it is to tear the flip around, and as soon as you remove the box itself, you will notice that you are greeted with a very tiny envelope that contains a couple of manuals. Now once you move down, you will see that we have the Nothing Ear 2's case with the earbuds on the inside. Going down, you see another pair of ear tips, and this time it comes with 2 additional sizes to make a total of 3 sizes. Now last but not least, there is also a Type-C to Type-C cable included in the box, and that is basically for charging. So that's basically what you get in the box for the Nothing Ear 2. But right now, let's talk a bit about these particular earbuds. Now this is how it looks like. It is slightly smaller than how it was before, and I just want to show you my Nothing Ear 1. I've been using this Nothing Ear 1 for more than a year now, and a lot of people has been concerned, like, does this scratch? Does it get scratched very easily? Well, what I would say is that there is a couple of hairline scratches that goes all around. I have not been babying this thing. I throw it into my bag, put it into my pocket together with keys, and it has not scratched very badly at all. So far, I would say that the plastic on the Nothing Ear 1 is holding up very well. Now I'm looking forward to actually testing out this particular case here. It is slightly smaller, slightly lighter, although if you hold both side by side, you won't really be able to notice the difference. But it's always good to know that the earbuds themselves together with the case is lighter so that it's easier to carry around. Alright, so let's talk a little bit more about the earbuds on the inside. What's really new here? Now nothing is saying that this particular earbuds comes with a brand new 11.6mm custom driver. And what this means is basically high frequencies will sound clearer, low frequencies will go deeper, and bass will also be slightly stronger. Now I've been listening to these earbuds for quite a fair bit now, and I do notice that the sound is slightly better than the Nothing Ear 1. Other than that, as someone who loves to listen to a lot of chill hop, I noticed that the bass was very strong and it feels very rich at the same time. Now other than that, these new earbuds also support LHDC 5.0, and what LHDC really stands for is low latency, high definition audio codec. In other words, it supports high-res audio and low latency, so in case you are gaming, you will not face any lags between the audio as well as the action that's happening on your phone, and you will be able to play high-res audio if your smartphone supports that. Now another key component about these earbuds is in terms of the noise cancelling. I noticed that previously on the Nothing Ear 1, the noise cancellation wasn't its strongest feat. Say for instance, I was in the airplane and I used this, I could still hear a lot of surrounding sound. Well, with the Nothing Ear 2, that has been slightly improved. According to the numbers itself, it says noise cancellation up to 40 dB. However, I think it is very difficult to explain how much noise it blocks out, but me personally, I have been flying with this particular set of earbuds, and I noticed that there is definitely a difference between the amount of noise being blocked out on the Nothing Ear 2, and that is in the sense of an improvement. Other than that, the earbuds themselves do support personalized sound, and basically again this means that it adapts to the shape of your ears to provide the optimal noise cancellation experience. Well, I should also point out that you can do a lot of customizations using the Nothing X app that you can install directly from the Play Store. Once you have installed the app, you also get access to this very cute widget, which I think is very handy because you can see the amount of battery life directly from your home screen itself. Now just jumping into the Nothing X app very quickly, you'll notice that we have a lot of features here. You can adjust your in-ear detection, personalize ANC, low lag mode, high quality audio, and of course, you can personalize your own sound profile. Now, I've already done that for mine, as you can see in these settings right here. But basically, what Nothing is providing for the Ear 2 is a very customized kind of sound because they understand that everyone's ears are different and everyone prefers a different kind of sound. So that's the kind of experience that you can get with the Nothing Ear 2. So one really interesting change that you can find on the Nothing Ear 2 is in terms of music control. Now previously on the Nothing Ear 1, you had to tap on the back to actually activate the controls, but right now you actually pinch or squeeze this little stem at the bottom here to change or go through your controls. So I think it's actually quite good because instead of pushing the earbuds deeper into your ears, you actually can just press the button on the side and you'll be able to make controls really easily. Now, other than that, I should also talk a bit about the battery life. Nothing is saying that although this is a smaller case, but you do get 2 hours more battery. So you can go up to 36 hours with the case without ANC. But just in case you are like me and you are flying a lot and you use a lot of the ANC, well, these buds alone will last 4 hours, and with the case it can do 22.5 hours. So if you are going for a long flight, say for example you're flying really far away, you might need to charge this up in the case, but you should be able to go throughout the entire flight with just this case on a full battery. Alright guys, so with that said, that pretty much wraps up my very quick take on the Nothing Ear 2. Just to sum up everything, I mean, it's very obvious that there's a lot of improvements that have been made from the Nothing Ear 1 to the Nothing Ear 2, although they might look very similar on paper. Well, I would say that if you are in the market looking for something really stylish, this design still really grows on me every single day. And if you are thinking of getting yourself a pair of these earbuds, well, you can check out the links down below. They're currently retailing at Rm 599 and you can get it on Shopee, Lazada, and even a couple of retail stores here in Malaysia. Now with that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do stay safe everybody. Bye!